Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sydney. If you are new here, I am a Poshmark seller. I have been selling on Poshmark since 2014. I have made thousands of dollars selling on the Poshmark app. I was actually a closet consultant at this year's Posh Fest, this past year's Posh Fest that was out in Dallas. But anyway, so I am a Poshmark seller, and in this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips to get started selling on Poshmark. Poshmark is the easiest app to sell on that you will ever see. I started back in college when my mom told me about this app. Well, she was watching Good Morning America, and she calls me into the kitchen, and she's showing me the story about Poshmark. She was like, look at this, like you should do this. And so I downloaded the app, and then I didn't really, I went back to my my apartment in college, and I looked at the app, and I was trying to figure out how to use it. It took me no time at all to figure out how to use it. It's just like Instagram, just posting pictures, and you just give it a title, price, and you post it for sale. So I did that, and my first item sold overnight, and I have been hooked ever since. So today I'm going to give you 5 tips on getting started selling on Poshmark to help you make some extra money, start a side hustle, go full-time, full-blown business, whatever you want to do. So let's get started. So tip number 1 is going to be to go through your closet and choose 10 items. Choose 10 quality items that you don't wear. Just make sure they're not faded, they don't have holes, they haven't been washed too much. We all have this stuff in our closet, stuff that still has the tags on it, stuff that were gifts and we're never gonna wear, stuff that we bought to wear one time and we're never gonna wear again. Go through your closet and choose 10 things. All you need is 10 things to get started. And you just wanna make sure that you're choosing good quality items. So get your 10 things together, and this is gonna be the start of your Poshmark closet. So the second tip that you need to get started making money on Poshmark is to use natural lighting for your photos. So after you have your 10 items, you're gonna have to photograph them. So you need to find a place in your house, because most of you aren't, I have a lighting kit now, but when I started, I didn't have that. Honestly, when I started, I knew nothing about lighting, nothing about anything, and my pictures were really bad. So I'm telling you now, find a place in your house that has a window or something, where the sunshine is coming in, and just a plain background, like a wall with a hook on it, or the back of your door, or just something solid that you can display your clothes on, or your bed, or anything you can do, hangers, flat lays, anything like that. So find a place in your house and use natural lighting to take your photos. All you need is your phone to take photos with. You don't need a fancy camera, you don't need anything. It's easiest done on your phone. So, and your phone is gonna take the best pictures in natural lighting. So find your natural lighting. So once you have your 10 items in your natural lighting, you are going to photograph these 10 items and you are going to list them. So that is my third tip for you, is to list your 10 items, and then you're going to want to make sure that you title your items with a brand. Put the brand name, put any descriptive keywords, anything you want, put what the item is. If you're selling, a Lily Pulitzer dress, put Lily Pulitzer dress. And then in the description, you're gonna write what color it is, what size it is, all the above, and then you just fill in your listing. It has a place for size, brand, new with tags, new without tags, used, put your condition. If it has any flaws, you need to disclose those in your listing. So, say you have a dress and it's a Lily Pulitzer dress, but maybe it has a spot somewhere, but the dress is still good. Somebody's still gonna want the dress, obviously. Just make sure that you disclose that in your listing. It's not unsellable. Just make sure that, if there's anything at all, that you disclose that in your listing. My 4th tip for you is to use the free shipping supplies from your post office. It is so easy to ship things on Poshmark. Once your item sells, it's gonna email you a shipping label, and you just print out that label, tape it onto your mailer, your box, whatever you're sending it in, and you ship it. You can drop it at the post office, you can leave it in your mailbox, whatever you need to do. But I do recommend, if you're just starting to use the free shipping supplies from the post office, you can use the regular priority mailing supplies. You can also use the flat rate supplies. I will say some people have issues using the flat rate supplies, so try to get the priority mailing stuff if you can. But you can also order it online on the USPS website, and they will deliver the shipping supplies to your door. I have the mailers, and then I have just a few boxes in case I sell like a bundle or something, like if somebody bundles multiple items. But absolutely utilize the free shipping supplies from your post office, and then you just print out your label and send it on its way. My last tip for you is just to be active on the app. Like, you have to share your items on the app, and that is just going into your listing and you click share, and then if there is what they call a Posh party going on, you can share your item to that party, and it goes into the feed of the party for the people who are shopping the listings in the party. Also, Poshmark is very community driven. So, go into the party and share other people's items, and then the idea is that they will come along and they will share your items back. So you're essentially promoting each other's items. So share daily. I recommend sharing your own items and then sharing other people's listings during parties. This just kind of keeps your closet active. It keeps your stuff visible. It keeps it at the top of your search results. You'll get more followers from sharing, all that great stuff. So sharing is a great way to promote your items. It's one of the things that I love most about Poshmark, because it's free to do. All you have to do is sit there and share your listings, and it promotes them, and you can promote other people, and other people will promote you, and it is a great community of sellers who are supporting each other and wanting each other to succeed. So you can use my link below in the description box to download the app, and all you do is go to your app store and download the app and create your account. You just have to put like your name, your email, all that stuff. It's super, super easy to do, and I will put my link below in the description box for you guys to download the app. My best advice is to just download the app and get started. Just start listing things, like get your 10 items, get them up, see how fast you make sales. When you first start out, it's really exciting, and there's unlimited income potential is what is so great about it. You're gonna get out of it what you put into it. So just work at it and list your items and share, and that's pretty much it. Poshmark is a very easy platform to sell on, and it's a very easy way to make money on stuff that's already in your house. Like, you already have stuff in your closet, fashion, shoes, clothes. You can do men's, women's, and kids items. You can do shoes, you can do jewelry. It just has to be fashion related. So get started, and if you have any questions or anything, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Also, thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys